Let's run child support guidelines. Today, we are going to be running guidelines for a couple of co-parents out of Frederick County, Maryland. We have Robin J., who is a marketing director, and she earns approximately $7,000 per month. And then we have Gwen B., who is a college professor, and she earns approximately $5,500 per month. They are the co-parents of Isabella B., who is 10 years old. They have several expenses that need to be cleared up in order to accurately run the guidelines. So, what we have is we have Robin paying the health insurance payments for Isabella, and those payments come out to $350 per month. Then we have the private school costs for Isabella that Gwen is paying, and she's paying approximately $15,000 per year for private school for Isabella. So we go down to additional expenses, put the $15,000 in. She's paying $1,250 per month for Isabella's private school. Now, I know it's important to take note that a lot of the times when it comes to private school, it might be paid lump sum in 3 payments or over the course of like the 10 months for the school year. But the fact remains is the total is the total for the whole year, right? So the total for the total is the whole year. You divide that up by how much you're supposed to pay for the whole year, plus or minus extra costs depending on your plan, and that's your monthly expense, right? So here in this case, Gwen's expense is $1,250. Now, looking at the expenses, there are no child care costs, there are no extraordinary expenses, there are no other support obligations. And the overnights for this couple is 183 to 182, which means they're on the shared guideline schedule. Now, according to these guidelines, based on the income, we have that Robin owes Gwen $708 per month as recommended child support. Now, what kind of things could change this child support outcome? If they were splitting the cost of the private school, if Robin was actually paying all of the private school and Gwen wasn't, if Robin was paying the private school costs, then Gwen would owe her $542 per month, right? But there's got to be some payment for the difference and the disparity in how much everybody's paying. So, oops, that is right. Right. So that's how the guidelines would look based on this current family scenario.